So for upgrades, well, not upgrades, I guess fixing. So I have my sway bar mounts here and there, and I put sway bars on for the first trip out. And of course, in a rush to get it done, I'd never put a brace inside here. So what do you think happened? You know, I crushed one, folded one. So that's our task for today, is to fix that. And we are going to build a bracket because there's some slop here in the knuckle from drilling the tie rod taper out to 1 inch to a 1 inch bolt for the Heim. So is on the agenda today to fix the sway bar and drill out a 1 inch hole, which is gonna be a lot of fun, and grind, weld, cut a brace in here for double shear to get rid of the slop, because I have it on both sides. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, we'll see what we got here for metal. Some 1/4 inch flat bar. I think we'll do it out of that. So just need a little bit to help hold it in. Oh, man. Oh, you can't see nothing. Let's see. Let's try it over here. How's that? Oh yeah, now we're talking. Alrighty, so we're just gonna square off our edge. Alrighty, we got our piece. I'll go over, undo the nut, and I'll bring it right back. Alrighty, so we're gonna go over here and try to figure out how long we want our piece to be. Found some 6 inch flat bar, 1/4 inch should work to build our double shear mount. I'm thinking we'll probably want at least 10 inches of material so we can figure out how we want to do it, just to give us room. So I don't want to, you know, cut a piece too short and then it stop like right here, and that just will look janky. We don't want this to look super janky, but we'll see. So we'll go probably, a 10.5 inch piece with the hole started in at 1.5 inches. Yeah, let's do something like that. Give us a decent look. Alrighty, let's see what we're working with. Oh, rusty metal. Rusty metal. Oops, my bad. Let's see. Slap some old gear plugs in, you know. There's the grinder. The old grinder. Ready. Get the old cutoff wheel, get a little sketch. Alrighty, so we'll get to marking here. Let's see, so I said I want 1.5 inches in. I'll probably go 1.5 inches in as well. Center a hole, so you gotta drill a 1-inch hole. Plenty of meat to drill. Grab the old drill bits. Wow, that's sweet. Oh, we broke the drill bit tip. Took it clean off. You know, it's supposed to look like this one, but it's missing. Alright, so we're going to go up from, I just did 3/8, we're going to go up to 1/2 inch. Then from 1/2 inch, we're going to go to a 3/4. Oh! Then from a 3/4 to a 1 inch. Boom. One hole done. All right. So let's see how I want to do this. Tighten the old clamp down. Probably should grind some of these tack welds off the old table here so shit sits flat again. All right, what did I say? 10 and a half. Oh yeah, baby. Alrighty, I'll move you up a little higher so I don't get no sparks, eh? Alrighty guys, so here we are. Oh god, let's zoom that out. There we go. So I got it all apart. So originally I had to drill out these to 1 inch, but we know tie rods are tapered, so there wasn't much meat to hold it. And over time it's got some slop. So what I'm thinking is I weld one of these washers right to it. Weld one on the bottom with the bolt through, and then add my double shear. We'll go from down here, this way it encapsulates the heim joint how it's supposed to, because the heim joint's still pretty tight. It's got a little bit of slop, but nothing like what was before. So I think we'll go down that route. I'm doing that for now. See how that goes. All right, I'll bring you guys back once I get it cleaned up. Alrighty guys, just finished grinding, cleaning it all up. Probably gonna drill out some holes on a 1/4 inch so we can put one here. I'm thinking I'll put one down here, and then we can drop our bolt, put our heim in, grab our plate we cut out, and make a little double shear for our heim joint. I really need to probably buy a double-ended ram so I can ditch the single-ended ram, move my steering to on top of the knuckle to give me more clearance, even though when it's where it's supposed to be, it's about the same height as the bottom of the axle, but just to get rid of some other loveliness. Yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, so I went ahead, got it welded on. Never will hear me say I'm the best welder, but it'll hold. So I got my top piece and my bottom piece. Now the plate I drilled out, we're gonna put it in right here and make something go to here so we get some nice double shear. But even already, bolt's a little hot. Even already, it is solid. There is zero slop like there was before, which is perfect. Because it was pretty crazy to watch a 63-inch tire do this over stuff. It makes you a little nervous, because that's a lot of weight, and it's not very easy to get out when it's broken.